Hey, what's up guys? I'm Adriana from You, and we are here with Bossman Tank, owner of the Clouded Thoughts. Do you think having supporters from Rap and Roll helped kick off the line?
Yeah, it definitely did. Having a good team of homeboys who, that we all had chemistry and we know each other's strengths and weaknesses. So I just tried to use everybody's strengths and try to create that image for Clouded Thoughts.
Do you guys ever have conflicts about ideas or anything?
I guess naturally with any group where you have so many people that's working hard and trying to take it to the next level, we all have conflicts because everybody wants this idea, but we try to balance and find common ground with everybody and go from there.
So what's next for the line?
Right now, I'm just trying to take it to the next level. We got the spring, summer collection dropping. We've been pushing it back because we want to get the right designs out that we felt best represented us and all our supporters, and to continue that lifestyle. And I'm excited for it. I think everybody will love it, man. It's gonna be huge.
Do you think it's gonna be hard to make something that's gonna compare with the yellow shirts?
I mean, to be honest, the YOLOs wasn't my favorite. I honestly really just capitalized off what Drake and Ross did, but I feel like everything else that we have now is all original stuff, and I feel like it better represents what we're trying to brand.
How did Clouded Thoughts link up with Kid Brick?
We were doing what they call product placement, and through my friend Justin Patron, he was shooting Brick video, and we gave Brick a few YOLO shirts and he invited us out to the video shoot. We was able to be in the video and a few other videos, and then we just kept building that relationship with him, and now we like brothers. Oh yeah, Moshi game off Moshi Mafia. You know what I'm saying? Fuck when they get fucked over. Okay, Curtis.
No, you can't. But
I believe that. Moshi game, Moshi Mafia, man.
What is with the Moshi songs?
Man, shout out to Curtis Blow. Curtis Blow put us all on it, but it was just like a statement. We just want to be different. Nobody else was doing it, and kind of give you some swag, and so we just, shout out Moshi Game, Moshi Mafia. Can't say it enough. Can't say it enough. Shout out Moshi Game, Moshi Mafia.
Alright, so the new stuff you guys are releasing, will that be available on Fly as well?
Yeah, there's some things that will be available on Fly, and some things that will just only be on the website, which is www.thinkaboutttheclouds.com. I'll go check that out. And so yeah, we try to keep like all the exclusive stuff on the website, so so the real supporters can get that stuff, that good stuff.
What is the difference between Team Dream and Clouded Thoughts?
That's a good question. Team Dream was the original concept of Clouded Thoughts. It was supposed to be me kind of branching off from Rap and Roll, kind of doing my own thing, but I'm still gonna be in it. And all the drawings and the concept came from that. And it was just, the design was just so good that we was just like, hey, let's just make it a clothing line. But Team Dream will come back, and as soon as I get it right, there's a couple people I know out there that can spin, say whatever, I'm coming for you. Bitch.
Alright, so any advice for any up-and-coming designers?
I would say, work hard, man, stay focused, do your research, please do your research, and just stay hungry, man, and just pursue it, man, do whatever you gotta do.
Hey, shout out to Mew, nigga.